If a whole week passes by, now there is no news about Kwame APLUS, or breaking news more and other stuff. Guy, no, any deal.
So no, my assessment no. He said take it to the Council of State. Just ask Nyamranes here. But I'm sure Ghana for moment here.
Who Kwame APLUS? Wako say Attorney General or you corrupt. You can't ye. And I was some Babeka say a fake account bina. I call publish our news no. And no soon yan ye. And I was on the say Poladom Ochre boss. I zoom lion papa no. I bet you a bribe amount. Ye gusu AyΕka. Afedi, asan ko UTV hobium. Eko ka say. Say John Mahama petete ma. Move parliamentarians na. Mumbe approve ya na ya kan yente mi FOKO. Now ye den ko parliament honuma. And she say Ghana parliament. Parliament of GH Mensamu. Parliament of Agban Sumaina Bagbin Mu. Parliament of Che Mensambusumu. Joe Wise Mu Parliament ni pani. Kwame APLUS kotina holding kosasem say debia kosasem. Hey!
Atete Sankrof was here. Mahama person of Chief Justice. Senabeya obeko for a third term. Me pacho. Sadi ye dem ran here.
And look what they say government communication minister for communication honorable Phyllis Kwachofo so they bet you just no cribia sa
onokra wan kan ye Kwachofo so wan kan ye
adenan guess what can I say
John Mahama bet to me seek for billion terms eyemra Ghana constitution e wo dia media ye nyina bet to me constitution no ye say wo pese wo sesa bibi wo mu afa ko ha emra no ye tro ye no ye say justice soa to forwards Attorney General ne judgment no or throw we say constitution no and yet just text to send that hey then you are why
me them is so honorable Kawasem
first year Kawasem a living organism capable of growth into no constitution no I will say any and yes say attract one and one no so if the president thinks that the term limit no emwa Ghana obey to meet the constitution now call parliament say parliament me feel say Ghana no I will say a term limit free so udi 100 terms kwana nkofo so mpewa also what transfer development eyamra da ho enye John Mahama de hye sa amra no
but for now dear
for now no John Mahama on meka asase ba me pese ade no ko obi atrim say nya ye dede say John Mahama petete omo ye lawyer for omo nim ni amra ne ka amra ne say John Mahama feel say opese otena so biemu a on family parliament obo beto yen wo ho yen ne ebehwe ade no aka say okay emra no ampa ya change mra na yen say wudi president obetumi edi akọ say obewu ana say say kura yen to aba wo Ghana ye betumi akọ parliament aye mra say Ghana kura yen to aba biu ya parliament betumi mra say Ghana yen to aba biu obene enti no say no but me preempt omo sorry omo bi ehu say enye John Mahama na abehye samra no eyemra da ho it is a parliament approve ye the mraba na parliament approve say ampa ade we yasesa na nya the numbers to do it obeka say eye hwan na MPP for ye say speaker entiment to aba hefa no mo de kokko ye say speaker betumi ato aba omo de mra na no mo de court omo say speaker betumi ato ye say yi levy no mo de court ye say birth certificate ye ntumi mfa nto aba ye betumi de ato aba no mo de court enya mra kro na no mo use but every time be obi so be use the same emra ni bi pe we say hey dabi
no say no mo kan say amra kro na na say o man panyi pese o seeking for interpretation o mo susu say one sha no more that interpretation na ko mean say obetimi asan ya
na nya court na be interpret ye ti krom he ne ye mbo 9090 court ko Supreme Court 90 yet ase akufo do court election petition 5 minutes ni akan we so nko fie nkoda ne ni ase hwanjo odi free court ho obejina fie be press conference wanye antum o se megitum ade no me ni omo nya adwen but megitum odi ko fie John Mahama odi so de election petition ko ye yes Jimensa oh ye EC boss omba na yem bisa na some MPP force da ya ma Jimensa nkasa wo court ho omo ye ya ma Jimensa nkasa enye mra kro na na say do say NDC for the say NDC for the Ghana ha edu omo so dia constitution no yemma obi ntino opposition
no isi no na kan se won kasa na say MP
GH Mesampa ni parliament ni. Like there is something wrong somewhere. The more I look at A+, the more I see A+ carry himself as an honorable member of parliament. The more I lose hope, say Debbie, we have gotten it wrong, and we are not just gotten it wrong, but we've messed up. We've messed up. Hey! Na Nehemi Yakrani say, Okasa asem nyina no. Kwasa nkosa asem nyina no. Na journalist ho. Journalist ho a ohwe nenim. The journalist cannot even let A+ know say for term limit in Sensem no. It is not about you, it's about the people. You must go back to the people. Journalists to me kasa semu. Nane so address shepe hipsy eto betina ho. No. Hey Ghana pa ni. Enti Kwame Nkrumah Ghana ni. Akufo-Addo Ghana enini. Jonathan Kunkufo Ghana enuni. Atameos Ghana no. Enuni. Asem mo ho. We are in trouble. We have to pray for Ghana. Yes, I'm bompaye. Wow, do Ghana be no sorry bompaye. Why now? Say we near reset now. If you are we not reset number we there. I know Deni Agasa. The level of ignorance and then arrogance in ignorance being displayed is over the moon, unprecedented, not seen before.
Omu making sure say yeah imagine men's and kasa walk court ho. You follow this case.
EC is an institution on its own.
They ensured that the Electoral Commissioner will never testify in that matter. When cross-examine Electoral Commissioner no.
But no right to do so. The Constitution.
And no person obey and our backing of one or more Musa time no. And so they decided that they will not allow her. They will not allow the we know your friends and opposition for no defense lawyers no to cross-examine her, and they didn't. They used the same law. Into Mpamocha Emrana nipa ba kodia. But
do you think say now the opposition party no feel some money yet?
Say na 3 days ya mo feel some right bibi. And na 3 days ya MPP also mini permanent enemy. Mini permanent friend.
Sir.
That be in terms of politics.
Okay.
Like now
in real life.
Real life them but politics me the mini permanent enemy, mini permanent friend because I did know be couchna we be what you say mini permanent enemy, mini permanent friend. As some na AyEka and down.